What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and this video is sponsored by Super Clean. The link to all their products will be linked down below. Enjoy the video, guys. What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video, like you heard in the beginning, it is sponsored by Super Clean. I have had this product for a long time, and I've been trying to get settled in here in Arizona. I've been very busy. It's been very hot, but finally, we actually going to a Cars and Coffee, my first Cars and Coffee, out here. So I said, why not be fitting to go to a self-spray car wash and show you guys how to clean your guys' tires and wheels, and maybe some of your guys' interior bits with Super Clean. Once again, Super Clean, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. Hopefully we can work more in the future. But if you guys want to go get some Super Clean yourself, you guys can find it at Walmart. I want to say Advanced Auto if you guys have one in your city, and then also AutoZone, I believe. It's all in the automotive section. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get the car washed first, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys what you guys need to clean your guys' wheels. Step one is going to be grabbing your Super Clean on your freshly wet car. Go ahead and turn this on. Simple. Going to spray. Let it sit, let it get brown. Grab your towel or your rag or your scrubber. Go ahead and scrub this gunk off. I'm running out of time here, so. And then bam, you got clean tires. Hope you guys can hear me. If not, I will do a voiceover. But yeah, that's how you guys use Super Clean. Next is going to be on your interior parts.